this is for my WPP number 6, and it says Jeff has so far sold an amount of $8,400 worth of water bottles so far, and he wants to invest that money in a bank. So if he keeps it in a bank for a 12-month certificate deposit that gives 8.29% interest, how much money will he have after the term if it is compounded daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and annually? How much money will he have at the end if compounded continuously? What interest rate does he need to look for if he wants $9,500 in his account by the end of 4 years? And how long must he leave the money in the account if he wants $10,000 from the interest alone? Okay, so for A, I did A equals 8,400 times 1 plus 0.0829 divided by n to the power of n times 1, because A is the amount you'll end up with and 8,400 is the one that you have so far. So you plug it in, and R is the rate, which is 8.29%, so you turn that into decimal, so it would be 0.0829, and the time is T, which is 1, and N will be your daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and annually. So you would plug that equation into your calculator, and it would look like that, and then you would press graph, and your graph will look like that. Put second trace value, and then you push in your value as 365, and it should give you 9,125.95, and that you would do that for 52, 12, 4, 2, and 1 to find how much it is daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and semi-annually. That's how I got those answers. Okay, so next is concept 4, which is finding the interest rate he needs if he wants 9,500 in his account by the end of 4 years. Okay, so A is the amount that he wants to end up with, and P is the amount that he invested in, and R is the rate, and 4 is the time. So to solve this, you would first divide 8,400 to both sides, and then you would natural log both sides. So first of all, this would reduce to 95 over 84, and when you natural log, it will cross cancel with the e, so it would be ln 95 divided by 84 equals 4r. So you push that into your calculator. You put ln 95 divided by 84, and you would get that, but you would have to divide by 4, which should give you that, and turn that into percent, and that's 3.08% rate. And for concept 5, you're trying to find the amount of time that he should leave his money in the account if he wants $10,000 from the interest alone. So pretty much 10,000 is the amount he wants to end up with, 8,400 is the amount he invested, and 0.0829 is the interest rate that's given already from the problem. So first off, you would divide both sides by 8,400, and then you would get the simplified fraction of 25 divided by 21. You natural log both sides, and that would cancel out the e, so it would be natural log of 25 over 21 equals 0.0829 times r. So you would natural log both, so you put that into your calculator, natural log of 25 divided by 21, and that should give you 0.174 blah blah blah, and then you would divide it by 0.0829. That should give you 2.1 0.31, which would round off to 2.1032. So the 2 would be the 2 years, and you would take the next two decimal points, and you would set it over 100 so you can find the monthly value. And 10 over 100 equals 1/10. 1/10 equals x over 12. Cross multiply, it would be 12 over 10, and that would be 1.2, but you would round up, so it would be 2 years and 2 months. And that's your answer.